Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will be conducting an in-depth analysis of Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, October 30, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 24, 2023, our system has identified Microsoft as a promising investment, giving it a score of 2.15. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Microsoft stock has experienced a gain of 2.05%. This equates to an average daily return of 0.41% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a horizontal trend, which typically indicates a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $340.81, it will give a strong buy signal and we could expect a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 0.87% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -6.33% to 1.91%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 45.73% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 39.48% to 70.99%. This could result in a price range of $470.47 to $576.75 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft brings some good news: Green Day on Monday for Microsoft. On the last trading day, which was Monday, October 30, 2023, the Microsoft stock price saw a positive increase of 2.27%. It rose from $329.81 to $337.31. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.29%, starting at a low of $331.84 and reaching a high of $339.45. It's important to note that the stock price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a 1.4% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded decreased by 8 million shares on the last day. In total, approximately 22 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $7.28 billion. It's worth considering that when volume falls on higher prices, it could indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price the stock reached was $366.78, while the lowest price was $213.43. Currently, the stock price is 8.03% or $29.47 below the 52-week high. This 52-week high also happens to be the all-time high for the stock. Today, we'll be looking at some recent analyst ratings for Microsoft Corporation, ticker symbol Microsoft. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, HSBC upgraded their rating for Microsoft to buy. Another analyst, Bernstein, also expressed optimism by giving Microsoft an outperform grade, although they maintained a hold action. Wedbush joined the positive sentiment by issuing an outperform grade for Microsoft, while also maintaining a hold action. Turning to Tuesday, October 24, 2023, Citigroup gave Microsoft an overweight grade, signaling their belief in the stock's potential. However, they too maintained a hold action. Lastly, Jefferies expressed confidence in Microsoft by giving it a buy grade, but they also maintained a hold action. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating overall. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will be discussing the signals identified for Microsoft stock. Microsoft stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is expected support from the lines at $331.74 and $326.35. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. It is important to note that despite the stock's gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. As a result, it is crucial to closely monitor the stock's performance. On the other hand, there are some negative signals to consider, which could potentially impact the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, October 25, 2023, resulting in a 0.99% decrease. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, there was a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, there was a buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, there was a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Microsoft. Microsoft stock currently finds support from accumulated volume at $330.22. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. It's important to note that Microsoft tends to have very controlled movements, making it a relatively low-risk stock with good liquidity. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a price range of $7.61 between its highest and lowest points in the last trading session, representing a 2.29% fluctuation. Over the course of the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.63%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key measure that compares the company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's P/E ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in well-established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Microsoft's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $2.72. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Microsoft. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $337.94. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding Microsoft shares, this could be a valuable level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is on a downward trend, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $330.22. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a great entry point, with the expectation of a rebound in the near future. According to multiple analyst sources, Microsoft has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On October 16, 2023, Hoya Alisel sold a total of 177,075 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, young Christopher David bought 11,442 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, Smith Bradford L. bought 23,646 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, Hood Amy bought 26,697 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, Hogan Kathleen T. bought 10,069 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 10.442. Overall, insiders have purchased 397,512 shares and sold 335,540 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $324.91, which is a decrease of 3.68%. This stock has a tendency to have small daily price fluctuations, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 3 days ago. Should you consider buying Microsoft stock? Based on several short-term signals, it seems that there may be a buying opportunity for Microsoft stock. There is a fair chance for it to perform well in the short term. However, our analysis of the volatility and movements for the last trading day suggests that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, October 31st, we anticipate Microsoft to open with a decrease of -$1.11, starting at $336.20. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're also curious to know what target you have set for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team at Stock Invest wishes you successful trading and hopes you have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching.